In this module, you will learn to compare dispersions among series. We know that mean deviation, variance, and standard deviation are the measures of dispersion. Let us consider the data given here. The table shows the heights and weights of 5 students of a class. Here we notice that the data are in 2 different units. Hence, the measures of dispersions will also have different units. On calculation, we have the means and the variances of the series as shown. How can you say which series is more dispersed? We cannot say which series is more dispersed on the basis of the variance. In such cases, we use another measure that is independent of the units. The measure of dispersion independent of the units is called the coefficient of variation, or CV. It is defined as the standard deviation divided by the mean, and is expressed as a percentage. Here, sigma is the standard deviation and x bar is the mean. The data in a series with greater CV is said to be more variable, while the data in a series with less CV is said to be more consistent. Let's find the coefficients of variation for the given data. The coefficients of variance of the heights and weights are obtained as shown. They are obtained as 3.5 and 2.82 respectively. The CV of the heights is more than the CV of the weights. This implies that the dispersion is more in case of the heights. Let's compare 2 frequency distributions with the same mean. Let the mean and the standard deviation of the first distribution be x1 bar and sigma 1. Let the mean and standard deviation of the second distribution be x2 bar and sigma 2. The CV of the first distribution is sigma 1 divided by x1 bar multiplied by 100. The CV of the second distribution is sigma 2 divided by x2 bar multiplied by 100. Now, let's take the ratio of the coefficients of variation. We know that the means of the distributions are equal. We get the ratio as sigma 1 divided by sigma 2. This implies that the variability of the distributions with the same mean depends on the standard deviation or the variance of the distribution. That is, the series with the greater standard deviation or variance is more variable. In other words, the data is spread more. Also, the series with the less standard deviation is more consistent.